What is up, guys, and welcome back. So now you can see that we're totally done with the website, and now we will stop editing this website. Okay, we'll be adding some payment functionalities that people can hire us for 1 hour, and then he has to pay for like hourly basis on hourly basis. So if he wants to pay, he can pay via credit card, he can pay via that PayPal, and then he can hire me for 1 hour. Okay, so we will be adding that functionality when we will be learning how to build an e-commerce website. Okay, so that comes in the e-commerce category. We'll learn this later on, but first we will stop this project right now. We'll learn how to build a business type of website in the upcoming section. Okay, and then we'll be working up with that. So this is a complete course, and this will teach you each and everything that what things you can do with your WordPress website. Okay, so now we will stop this and we will be working up with a new website. We will be building a website for a business. Okay, so for that we basically need a domain name. Okay, and we need to work on it. So how we will do that, I'm just gonna go to, if you go to the home page and then you go to basically the cPanel, then you can see that we have one single domain name, that is iTanzil.com. Okay, that was automatically registered. We have registered from HostGator. Okay, but if we want to add one more domain name to it, how we are going to add it? So basically we want to register that domain name. Okay, and I will register a domain name and then I will assign that to this hosting package so that I can use that domain name for my more websites that I want to build. So this is the website that I personally want to build, and now I want to just register a domain name so that I can use that domain name for my testing websites. Okay, so I just need basically a domain name. So what I wanted to do, I just want to go to domain names and let's go ahead and let's assign that one more domain name so that we can create another second website. Okay, so we will basically be creating subdomain names. You have two options. If you don't want to just buy a new domain name, then you can create subdomain names and test your own website. Okay, how you're gonna do that, you just have to go to the subdomain names. Okay, and then you have to create a new subdomain name. So that will be like my website one or another website dot itanzil.com. Okay, and then you have to select the document root. Okay, you can just leave it as it is, and then you can create it, and then you can install WordPress in it. I'll show you later on in the next video that how can you do that. But first, I'll be just moving on with the domain name. I'll just create a new domain name. Okay, I'll just register a new domain name, and then I will add that here so that if I want to create a new or another website, okay, for like myself or for another company. So I'll just gonna come here. I'm just gonna click register a domain name in the domain section of Portal. Okay, and then it's gonna take me to the website, the page where I want to create where I want to register a domain name. So I'm just gonna uncheck this because I don't want domain privacy, and I want to just come here and I want to search create WP. Okay, so I just want to register this domain name, create a WP, and I'm just gonna hit search. Oh, okay, let's search createawp.com. So if I want to search this domain name, it's gonna search this domain name, and let's check if we can get a domain name. So I'm just gonna be buying a normal domain name that is costing me just like a single dollar so that I can teach you everything. Okay, so this is this is on sale. You can see its original price is $15 and it is for 0.95. So I think I can go with this one. So it is createawp.site. Okay, I'm just gonna come here and I'm gonna hit add to cart. So you can see that this is now added to my cart. Okay, I just don't want to go with the .com domain name. You can see, congratulations, your domain name is available, createawp.com. So I don't think so if I need this domain name, but I'll be just going up with this one, the normal one, createawp site, createawp.site. Okay, I'm just gonna cancel this and I'm just gonna go with this one. So this domain name I'll be buying. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit continue to checkout, and here we go. You can see that it is saying card checkout, and here I want to assign this domain name to my hosting package, which is under this itanzil.com that we registered. Okay, so it is telling me to use the credit card file. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit this and add privacy protection. No, I don't want to add, enter your online presence, have a discount code. So I'm already getting a discount on this. So you can just buy a domain name for a single buck. HostGator mostly runs domain promotion, so you can check that which is for single buck, and then you can just buy it. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna hit place order, and it will place my order. So now you will see that a new order will be placed, and then I can I'm just gonna go to customer portal, and then I can assign that domain name to this hosting package, so that where I can manage it. I'm just gonna come here, and here I want to go to domain name. Okay, so in the domain name, I want to manage my domain name, and I want to assign that domain name to that hosting package. So let's see, how can we manage? Let's come here, and here is the domain name. So provisioning in progress. So when this will be done, I will be having the access to basically add that domain name to that hosting package. So I'll show you that how can you add that later on when this is done. So let's wait till this is done, and then when it will be done, I'll show you that how can you just add that domain name to your hosting package, and then you can create websites to that domain name. So this is going to be amazing. So stay tuned, guys, and when this is done, I'll be back. So now you can see that I have received an email address, an email from the HostGator. You can see, dear customer, your email address has been registered at Registrant for contact one domain name, and I need to verify it. So I just came here, and you can see that my email address has been verified. So you have to verify your email. So now I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna go to the HostGator, and I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna refresh this page right now, and this says this will activate my account. So you can see that the domain will be active, and let's see. Let's also open up our mail to see if we have received any email. Okay, you can see that it says create a WP site. Create a WP.site is coming right here. I'm gonna come here, and I'm gonna go down, and here it says the name server, so it is ns2.hostgator.com. To make changes, click the change button. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here. I'm gonna go to the name servers, and I'm gonna go to the automatically point my domain to hosting account. I'm just gonna select it, and it is going to be this one. Okay, you can see that this is selected, and the automatically name servers are coming here. So I can even manually put them. You can see that they are here, right here. I'm just gonna come here, and I'm gonna hit save name server. So you can see that the name servers has been added. Okay, the name servers are done. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna come here. I am going to be coming here to add on domains, and right here I just want to add that domain name. So I'm just gonna come here, and I want to add I'm just gonna hit new domain name. I basically want to add create wp.site. So this is basically my new domain name. Okay, this will be my subdomain name, and then here I have to write the document root. So for document root, I'm gonna add-on. Make sure to add that add-on _ domain / create a wp.site. Okay, so you can see that I already have an add-on domain name right here that is completewpcourse.com. Okay, so I am just adding another domain name that will be add-on _ domain and / create a wp site. So I can just go to the files right here, and here I want to go to the file manager. And in the file manager, when I will add this, okay, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to hit add domain. So this domain name is going to be added. So in the add-on domain _ folder, add-on domains or add-on domain. Okay, so it was add-on domains. It will create a new folder. Okay, so now if I just reload this, you can see that in the add-on domain folder has been created, and here you can see that this is create a WP site. So this is basically my new folder that has been created, and I can just go here. I can just enter create wp.site. So if I just visit this, you can see that it is going to take me to this website right here that I have registered on my website. So if I just come here, you can see create a WP site. So you have to wait for like some time, and then when it is done, you will see your website completely up and running. So just wait for 5 to 10 minutes, or like maybe more than an hour, or hour, maximum an hour. And after that, when we will visit our website, you will see that this page will open and this page is gonna come here. So let's wait, and I'll be back when it is done. Okay, so guys, now you can see that this is created WP site dot site is coming right here. Okay, so this is working perfectly. Okay, so now in this video I'm going to be showing you that how can you install WordPress in it with another method. So we will not be installing WordPress in this right now, but we will be moving on with another subdomain or add-on domain that I have right now. So if I just go to add-on domains, you can see that here I have this domain name, okay, completewpcourse.com. So we will be installing WordPress in this, okay, completewpcourse.com, and then I'll show you that how can you work with installation, and how can you create a subdomain name with this add-on domain name. So I'll show you that how can you create a subdomain name, so it's gonna be fun. Okay, so I'll show you that how can you install WordPress in the subdomain name. Bye bye.